Hello guys, you are specially welcome to this channel once again. And on today's video, we are live in Awka, the capital city of Anambra State, Nigeria. And we are yet again bringing you closer to the Solution Fun City Arena that is under construction. And just like the thumbnail says, it's approaching completion. Guys, to be frank with you, you are going to be marveled with the extent of work that has actually been done within this facility as we speak today. It is so beautiful, and it will interest you to know that Soludo's administration is a relentless and a resilient one altogether. Guys, the ambience within this facility as it is today is altogether on another level. I have not seen such a beautiful structure and facility like this in Anambra State so far so good. As I'm talking to you, I can boldly say that this is the sexiest project that is going on in Anambra State today, guys. Seriously, I'm so impressed. I'm really impressed. Like, I'm so impressed with what I observed and what I saw within this facility today. So I indulge you to please come with me, like relax, okay? Just relax and come with me through this facility. Let's move around and see all the beautiful things that this administration, talking about the Soludo's administration, has actually done already in Awka, the capital city of Anambra State, Nigeria. It marvels me, and I believe you are going to like it and at the same time enjoy it. Don't forget to watch this video to the end so that you will see a whole lot of facilities that have been put in place already. Guys, this is going to be one of the most beautiful facilities in Anambra State, and not just Anambra State, in the southeast part of this country. This facility is going to attract a whole lot of people to this city. As it is right now, Awka is going to explode by the time this facility has come into full completion. So over here you can see what the entrance is already looking like at the moment. This is the major entrance into this facility. Okay, so I'm going to take you guys around, even towards the lodging facility section. I'll take you towards the cinema section. Then I'll take you towards where we have the equipment. I'm talking about the water parks, the swimming pools, and a whole lot of fun activities equipment that are being placed on ground already. Guys, Soludo is truly a godsend. Just like I've always told you guys before now, this man is truly a godsend to Anambra State. Like, he has actually transformed the state completely. He has transformed the capital city. He has created more cities, and he has transformed the whole road networks within the state. And all of this we are done within a very short time. We are talking about a governor who starts a project and finishes it at a specific time, or at the appropriate designated time for this project to get completed. And this is happening live and direct in Anambra State. I don't think we have any governor that can beat this particular governor when we talk of delivering projects, getting projects delivered at the designated times. This is interesting. This is so beautiful. This is lovely. We can see along these areas what is already happening here. These paintings and these artworks have already transformed the environment within this facility. Like, the ambience is already so intriguing. I don't know how else to describe this, but this is beautiful. You need to see what is going on within this facility, guys. Please make sure you watch this video to the end so that you would see what I saw. And just in case you are new here, this is BlessingGodwinTV, and I indulge you to subscribe to this channel, comment, share, and give this video a massive thumbs up. we are bringing you this update live and direct from Awka, the capital city of Anambra State. And I would love to hear your thoughts at the same time, hear your ideas, your recommendations, whatever it is you want to share with us about this project. Please do that on the comment section so that we all will be on the same page together. And also, if there are things that you know about this project that we don't even know, please, we would love you to share with us on the comment section so that we all will be on the same page. So at this section, yes, at this section, this particular section is where we'll have the lodging facility within this Solution Funcity arena. You can see that it is already approaching completion, guys. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. And there are also lots of sports facility within also this section that I'm going to show you. So we are going to go around this facility and I'm going to show you where we are going to have a lot of sports facilities, talking about courtyards for volleyball, basketball, handball, and lots more. Okay, so we are going to go around and I'm going to show you all of that. So don't forget that this is, just like I've told you earlier on, this is where we'll have the lodging section within this facility. Yes, there is going to be a lodging section, and there's also a section where we'll have the cinema and a lot more facilities within that particular building. So we are going to approach towards that section so that you also see how far they have gotten at that particular spot. But I must tell you guys the way it is. This is so impressive, and this is so interesting. I love what I'm saying. Okay, I really love what I'm saying, and you need to get to the other section so that you understand more. That's where you will see what this man has done like within this facility. This is so marveling. And also at the same time, let me not forget to also say a big kudos to the contractors, guys. These guys are something else. They actually delivered a standard project within this facility. The contractors they did so well. I must commend them. They did so very well, and they are still doing very well. So I'll also take you guys towards the where we have the merry-go-round and other facilities for play. You know, for where you have fun, like where you can go with your children to have fun. You know. We'll also go to that section so that you will see also what is going on around that section. So we are talking about projects. Guys. This particular place, this is where I told you about. This is where we have the handball courts, the volleyball courts, table tennis courts, and all of that. This particular area is where we are going to have all of those sports facilities. And it is right behind the lodging facility, so it is within the lodging facility section. Okay, so you can see this particular one has been set already, so it's mainly fixing of the posts and all of that. So this is what I'm telling you guys. I've not seen it in this manner before. This is the first time I'm seeing such a thing going on in Anambra State, you know, having such facilities coming to life within Anambra State. It's so interesting. It's so interesting. You can also see the artworks, you know, these artworks are totally on another level, guys. These artworks actually transformed the environment, making it look serene and so interesting, you know. By the time these guys are totally done with these artworks, the whole of this place is going to be transformed completely. So as we progress, guys, I would love you to relax and enjoy this video, and we'll also see a lot more of what is going on within this facility. Make sure to watch it to the end so that you would see what I saw, guys. This is so beautiful.